Hi, my name is Joseph Gentile. I'm a partner at Sarraf Gentile LLP. Today I'm making a video to discuss what some of the factors are that the government looks at in evaluating whether or not to pursue a qui tam case under the False Claims Act. So the first issue that they are going to consider is you, the whistleblower. They want to see how credible you are and how credible the evidence that you have is. For instance, they want to see if you have documents, they want to see if you have recordings that corroborate what it is that you're saying the fraud is. They want to look at what is the potential size of the fraud that you're describing, that you uncovered. Is this something that's costing the government millions of dollars, or is it a nominal amount of money? They want to see what the collectability is of the defendants. If they do decide to dedicate resources and pursue the case, is there going to be money at the end of the day for them to collect? Another factor that they're going to look at is public harm. So beyond the financial harm to the government, is there the potential that the fraud you're describing is harming the public? An example of that would be a doctor or a hospital system that is performing unnecessary surgeries. Obviously, there's the potential there for great harm to the public aside from just the financials. And if the public harm consideration is great enough, that can offset a lot of issues with size and collectability. Another important area that they'll consider is whether what you're describing is a current enforcement priority of the DOJ. Sometimes the DOJ will set up task forces. They'll allocate additional resources to deal with some areas that they feel are particularly problematic. So an example of that would be right now during the COVID pandemic, PPE fraud, or prior to that, opioid frauds. These are not the only issues that the government considers when evaluating whether to dedicate resources to investigate and prosecute a case, but these are pretty important ones. If you'd like to discuss this any further, feel free to give me a call or shoot me an email. I'd be happy to discuss it further. Thank you.